Now for this particular section, we are going to be looking at the proper way of both opening and operating a picoworkers.com account. Now this is the main meat of the whole training, and this is the area where you should pay key attention to. All this while we have been running around and going around the whole stuff, but now we are about to enter into the key training. Now we are going to be looking at why you should use a US IP address. Then we're also going to be looking at why you might actually consider using a Nigerian IP. No, you can actually use a Nigerian IP. Then we are also going to be looking at the disadvantages and advantages of either using a US IP or using a Nigerian IP. Then I'm also going to be giving you my own personal recommendation which one you should use, and you are going to be surprised at what I will recommend to you. Then we'll look at the right way to fill up your profile, the right real way to fill up your profile. I opened an account 2 days ago, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Then we are also going to navigate all around the picoworkers.com platform. We are going to navigate the picoworkers.com platform generally. So we are going to navigate the platform generally. Then we are also going to perform some tasks. Then you have already done this, opening the needed social media account. Hopefully, I believe everybody, we have all done all that. So let's dive into the training practically now. So this is the picoworkers website himself. You should be familiar with this by now. There's the website. Now the moment you come to this website, you click on the first thing you do is that you click on sign up. I want to show it to you. You click on sign up. Now sign up, you see it will lead you to this particular place where you fill all your information. Now you will be asking, why is it that I have not switched on my IP? I am going to explain that by logging into my account. This is my account, I already have it. I'm going to log in. And that is, here is my own account. It's a fresh account, I just opened it recently. Now what did you notice? You see here, I opened it with a Nigerian IP. You come in here, check here, NG, stainless_services. We have NG, meaning that I opened it with a Nigerian IP. Now, why would I decide to open this particular account with a Nigerian IP? Please, I want you to really pay attention now as I explain. First, for those of you having problem with the WinScribe, this WinScribe here, I'm going to open it up and show you some stuff. If we go to show that I'm using a Nigerian IP, if we go on here to IP to location.com and I go to this website, if I scroll down, you see I'm using MTN line and I'm in Nigeria. This is my IP. The country is Nigeria, so I'm on a Nigerian IP. I want to explain this first for those having problem with. Now this is my WinScribe. You see here, if I click on it, it's disconnected now. You see US Central, Atlanta, this and all of them are there. What I did is that I click on this love. The moment I click on this law US Central, anytime I switch on my WinScribe, it takes me straight to US Central. I don't have to be locating it every time. You understand? Atlanta, Mountain, that was there. Then you come on here. Now watch, I click on it, you wait for it to switch on. If it's, yes, you see it now, just wait for it to switch on. The color should change the moment it is switched on. And yeah, see, we are on. Now I come back here to this, I will refresh the browser, the IP to location, it will reload, and you discover that it has changed. United States of America, this is the new IP, Atlanta, Georgia, which is here, Atlanta. You see it? So that is how you use your Windscribe, whether it is for the phone or it is for the laptop, the same thing applies. So I've explained that. Now I'm going to switch off now. So I switched it off. I'm going to close up all this browser. Please bear with me and let me check the time and hope that the video is not too long. 6 minutes. I don't want to keep it too long. So I've explained that. I'm going to close this video. Then in the next video I will explain the advantages and the disadvantages of the US of using the US IP or using the Nigeria IP. Thank you.